That was so upsetting.
Hi Jason. How was your day?
It was okay, I guess.
Something seems off. Did something happen at school today?
Yeah, something bad happened.
Oh no. What happened? Why did you do this? Tell me.
I didn't do anything. It wasn't my fault.
Who's this?
I don't know.
Hi Sarah. I couldn't help but overhear your conversation. It sounds like you're both feeling frustrated and misunderstood. Who are you? I'm Amaal. I specialize in helping people communicate more effectively and understand each other better. Would you like some help with that? Yes, please. Jason, can you tell me what happened at school today?
Yeah, I got into an argument with my friend over a project we were working on. We both got really mad and said some things we didn't mean.
I see. It sounds like there was a miscommunication that led to a conflict. Is that right?
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Sarah, when you asked Jason why he did this, it made him feel defensive and misunderstood. Is that what you were trying to convey? No, I didn't mean to make him feel that way. I just wanted to know what happened. I understand. Sometimes the way we ask questions can affect the way others respond. That's where the Milton Model comes in. It's a set of language patterns that help us communicate more effectively and empathetically. Can you teach me how to use it? Of course. It's actually quite simple. Instead of asking why, which can sound accusatory, you can ask questions like what happened? Or how did you feel about that? This allows the person to share their experience without feeling attacked. Oh, thank you. You are welcome. I hope that helps. Asking the right question will give you the right answers. See you later.